Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to talk about our plugin YITH Multi Vendor Marketplace. And in particular, we're going to learn how to enable and configure the vendor staff module. But before we start, please make sure you hit the like button below this video, subscribe to our channel, and also click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's start! Okay guys, YITH Multi Vendor provides administrators an option to decide if they want to allow vendors to add staff members to their stores. So let's go ahead and review how to enable and configure this option. First, admins will need to go to the Modules tab, All Modules, and from here enable the related vendor staff module. All that we need to do is click over here. Perfect. Now that it has been enabled, vendors will find a new staff tab inside their dashboard. So let's go over to take a look from there. Here we are inside a vendor's dashboard thanks to our live demo for YITH Multi Vendor Marketplace. So as we mentioned, to manage this tab, we need to go to Your Shop, and from here we go to our new staff tab. As you can see, at the moment there are no staff members added for this particular vendor, so let's go ahead and create the first. To add new staff members, all that we need to do is click on this button and then complete all the required fields. Let's see an example. We enter a name, a last name, the email address, and as it is optional, we can leave the phone field empty and add our new staff. Then, after the staff member is added, the vendor can click on this pencil icon to manage certain permissions regarding the staff capabilities. Let's see. From this window, vendors can choose what staff members can and cannot do. For example, manage orders, create and edit coupons, manage product reviews, create and edit products, manage store settings, or view store report. In this case, for Jane Doe, we're going to leave all of the permissions checked and we're going to save it. Additionally, if the vendors add multiple staff members, they can actually configure different permissions for each one. For this, let's see another example. Again, we click on our Add New Staff button and we complete all the required fields. Okay, we have entered all of our details, so let's add the new member. Again, we're going to click on Edit Permissions for this new member, but this time we're going to remove the permissions to create and edit products and also to view the store reports. Now, all that we need to do is save the permissions. And as simple as that, we have created two staff members and configured different permissions for each one. Now, regarding the staff, it is also possible for the administrator of the shop to see a complete list of all the staff members for each vendor directly from the vendor's details. So let's go back to the admin's dashboard, and for this, using our live demo, we can click on this button to switch to administrator. Now we go over to YITH and Multi-Vendor. Here we need to go to the Vendors tab and click on Vendors List. Inside this tab, we're going to find the list with all of our vendors. And if we open the details, inside this modal window, we're going to find this specific Staff tab, which will display all the details of the staff members added by the vendors. In this case, as in our example, we can find here both Jane Doe and John Smith. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and make sure that you stay tuned as we will continue to share more videos on our plugin YITH Multi Vendor Marketplace. For the moment, that was it, but I will see you next time. Bye bye!